This light represents the spirit of scouting. He who lights from this brightens the world and brings peace and happiness. Fire from the west. This light represents the first part of the oath. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, the Republic of the Philippines, and to obey the Scout law. Fire from the north. This light represents the second part of the Scout oath. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to help other people at all times. Fire from the south. This light represents the third part of the Scout oath. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. Fire from the east, fire from the west, fire from the north, fire from the south. Give us light. Now that our fire is bright, let's find our voices. Let's join together in singing the classic Scout melody, Campfires Burning. Everyone, let us sing.
Campfires burning, campfires burning, draw near, draw near. In the blue, come say and be merry. Campfires burning, draw near, draw near. In the blue, come say and be merry.
We stand on the shoulder of giants. To understand where we are going, we must remember where we began. To share the storied legacy of our organization, please welcome Scout Leader Jesse F. Nike.
Here is the brief history of our Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts. The Scouting movement was founded in 1907-1908 by British Lieutenant General Robert Baden-Powell to teach young boys outdoor survival skills, citizenship, and character, officially launching with the 1907 Brown Sea Island Cup and the 1908 book Scouting for Boys. It quickly became a global co-ed and inclusive youth organization. The Boy Scout of the Philippines was officially established on October 31, 1936 through Commonwealth Act number 111 signed by the President Manuel L. Quezon with American businessman Josephus Stedman as its first president. It is originated from the Boy Scout of America Philippine Council, established in 1923 and became an independent national organization in 1938. Girl Scout was founded on March 12, 1912 in Savannah, Georgia by Juliet Daisy Gordon Law, who was inspired by the 1910 founded Yuki Girl Guides, originally aimed at empowering girls to embrace outdoor activities, skill building, and leadership. It grew into a national organization officially chartered by Congress in 1950. The Girl Scout of the Philippines was formally established on May 26, 1940 through Commonwealth Act number 542, initiated by civic leader Josefa Llanes Escoda following her training in the USA. The initial troops emerged in 1918. It became a national organization in 1940 and joined the WAGs, or World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts, in 1946.
Thank you so much, Sir Nike. A campfire is not just for warmth, it is for reflection. We are honored tonight to have our distinguished leader to share some food for thought to nourish our scouting spirits. Please welcome our Public Schools District Supervisor of Niaga West, Dr. Ricardo G. Hirado.
Good morning. I know most of you, my first time experience attending the campfire. You know, this is a very serious activity where during the lighting of the fire requires a total silence. Pero makita natin sa iba, may mga nagagamit dito. But discipline is really a great challenge to all our scouts. Kasunod nga campaign, nagtamo natin kung di nga school ang mag-agad, hindi natin papaintrahin. Gusto nyo ra? No, tama dyan ka solemn na activity. No? This is a celebration. Isang paglit, isang fire. Amor ng time na dapat magkalipay ang tanan. Hep, hep! Hooray! This is a celebration. Nag-umpisa kita sa dulong. May kalayo nga nagalin sa east, west, north, and south. Kagang beauty ka ito kung nagtingandaan. Pero sige lang, it's only as simple that lights coming from four corners. And all the scouts coming from different schools, we are here gathered for our district camporee to really give light to our future. Because we believe, once a scout, always a scout. Tundugagan ko, halin sa pagbata, alin sa nang ikaw'y bata hanggang sa pagtanda. Your titas and titos are here to guide you and wish you all the best kung maghangdod ka mo sa buwan to become a good scout, a girl or boy scout in the coming years. We have parents around, and this will be a great motivation sa mga ginikanan nga sa sunod na tuig ang nakabataan pa intrahin sa scout activities like this. Manami dyan nga experience. Wara ti campfire, kaya atabo sa balay. It's only in the scouting activity. And we wish, like the light, like the fire, that give us heat and give us energy and light, amo madria, amang inspiration ng ating mga boys and girls scouts in the coming years. So let's celebrate like the heat and like the light. We wish all scouts will become the light bearer of peace, prosperity, and hope to our motherland.